Get paid faster with Fergus Pay, a secure and seamless payment gateway designed to keep your cash flow moving. With Fergus Pay, you can offer customers flexible payment options, reduce the stress of unpaid invoices, and take payments instantly, even on site. Using the Scan to Pay and Tap to Pay features in the Fergus Go app, you can simply approve the invoice, select your chosen payment method, and let your customers pay on the spot. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Security comes standard. Fergus Pay is powered by Stripe, with built-in fraud protection and security checks on all card payments for peace of mind. And the best part? No setup fees, no contracts, and no red tape. Just a seamless payment solution that helps you get paid faster. Our stats show that Fergus Pay users get paid in an average of just 2 days. Getting started is easy. Just head to Payments and click Get Fergus Pay now. Let's walk through the Stripe verification process, which is required before you can start accepting payments. This helps Stripe confirm your business and identity. To begin, enter your email address. If you already have a compatible Stripe account, Stripe may recognize your details and ask you to verify the account instead of starting from scratch. Next, enter your mobile phone number and complete the verification step. You can move between steps at any time using the process navigation menu at the top of the screen. Choose the country where you or your business legally operates, then select your business type. The available options will vary depending on the country you choose. Next, enter your business details. If you don't have a website, you can provide a link to an online presence such as a Facebook page or trade directory listing. We also provide helpful tips on each screen as you go. You'll then be asked to enter personal details for the individual representing your business. If your business has multiple representatives, Stripe may request details for each person. Depending on your business type and country, you may also need to verify your identity and address. This step is required to meet local financial and regulatory requirements. Enter your bank account details so payments can be deposited directly to your account. Lastly, review everything carefully, then agree and submit to complete the Stripe sign-up process. Once Stripe sign-up is complete, you'll be able to choose how processing fees are handled with Fergus Pay. It's important to note that the first payment has a processing delay, usually around 7 days, as Stripe completes their fraud and verification checks. After the first payment, payouts typically take up to 2 business days for Australia and New Zealand, and up to 3 business days for the UK. Once verification is complete, you're ready to start using Fergus Pay and accepting card payments through Fergus. For more details, check out the Fergus Pay setup articles in our Help Centre.